Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing my baby version of Purple from Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines. I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the head with a circle at the top. Next, let's draw the eyes inside with two large circles. Now inside the left circle, let's draw another one on the bottom left. And the same thing in the other eye, but this time on the bottom right. Now inside each of these, in the top right, let's add a small oval. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and add the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw two lines down. And then let's connect them with a curve at the bottom. Next, let's add the diaper inside. Let's draw a curved line across near the bottom. Then underneath, let's draw curves down on both sides. Now let's hop up and add the arms. Let's start on the left side of the head here, and let's draw a curve out, and then curve it down and back in. And the same thing on the right. Now underneath on both sides, let's draw the same curve. Now let's add the hands at the ends. At the end of each arm, let's start by drawing a curve. And then another curve to close it off. Next, let's add the fingers. At the top, inside, let's draw a small curve. Then a bent line down and out. And the same thing underneath for the first finger. And now let's do the same on the right hand. Now let's move down and add another finger, like this, on both sides. And then two more on each hand. Now let's erase the overlapping lines inside each finger. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's hop down on the left side here. Next to the diaper hole, let's draw a curve out, up, and then back down and in. And let's do the same thing on the right. And now under each of these curves, let's draw another one in the same way. Next, let's add the feet. At the bottom of each leg, let's draw a rounded triangle shape. Next, let's add the toes. On the inside, let's draw a curve here, and then a bent toe going down and back up. And the same on the other foot. Now let's move over on the outside and draw 3 more toes like this. And the same on the right foot. And lastly, let's erase those overlapping lines inside. And that's it for baby purple. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!